Welcome back to Automotive Widgets, your go-to channel for the best automotive upgrades, reviews, and buyer's guides. In today's video, we're reviewing the best shocks for Nissan Altima. Whether you drive a 2007 Classic or a 2018 model, I'll walk you through the top 5 Amazon shocks and struts kits that restore comfort, improve stability, and keep your Altima running smoothly. Make sure to stick around till the end so you don't miss my personal recommendation on which kit gives you the best value for money. Number 5. Front and rear struts with coil springs. If you want a complete 4-piece solution for your Altima's suspension, this kit includes 2 front struts with coil springs and 2 rear shocks, covering both ends of the car. Compatible with 2007 to 2012 Altima sedans and 2013 S2.5L models, it replaces multiple OEM part numbers 172392, 172393, 349075, 5637. Drivers say it's a cost-effective alternative to OEM parts, delivering reliable ride comfort and stability. Many reviews mention smoother handling on highways and reduced body roll when cornering. Installation is relatively straightforward, thanks to pre-assembled springs. However, being a more affordable aftermarket option, it may not deliver the same long-lasting durability as premium suspension brands. For moderate use in daily driving, it performs well and is backed by generally positive user feedback. Number 4. Front struts and shocks with coil springs. This front struts and shocks with coil springs set is a solid choice for 2007 to 2013 Nissan Altima owners looking to restore their ride quality without overspending. Designed for both sedan and coupe 2.5L models, it provides a direct replacement for OEM struts 172392, 172393. Customers frequently highlight its easy installation. No spring compressors are needed since the springs are already mounted. On the road, these struts deliver a smoother ride and improved front-end stability. Users mention that after installation, the car feels less bouncy and handles bumps with more confidence. While it's not a complete kit, rear shocks must be purchased separately. For drivers focused on restoring the front suspension only, it's an excellent budget-friendly option. Durability is decent for daily commuting, though it may not hold up as well under constant heavy loads or aggressive driving. Number 3. Detroit Axle Struts and Shocks Kit. For later-gen Altima owners, the Detroit Axle Struts and Shocks Kit, 2013 to 2018, offers a full suspension refresh. The kit includes 2 front quick-install struts with coil springs plus 2 rear shock absorbers, engineered to match OEM ride height and fitment. According to the listing, each coil spring is specifically designed to restore proper ride height and improve handling while reducing body shake. In practical use, many drivers say this kit brings back a more controlled ride after years of saggy or leaky factory units. The ready-to-assemble struts reduce installation time since no spring compressors are needed. Some users note improved stability on uneven roads and better absorption of potholes. However, the durability under heavy load or extended use is a mixed bag. Some aftermarket forums caution that Detroit axle parts may not match premium brands in longevity. Number 2. Front and rear struts and shocks. This front and rear struts and shocks complete assembly set, for 2007 to 2012 Altima models, is a full 4-piece kit that includes 2 front struts with coil springs plus 2 rear shock absorbers. It's designed for both coupe and sedan variants with the 2.5L engine. The Amazon listing shows an average rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars from 16 user reviews, indicating generally solid performance. In real-world use, owners say this kit delivers a noticeable improvement over aging, leaky OEM absorbers. Drivers report that rough roads, potholes, and speed bumps are handled more cleanly, less jolting, and more consistently damping. One user said it restores ride quality to near stock feel after 2 decades of driving. The pre-assembled struts with springs simplify installation. You don't need to reuse or compress old springs. However, as with many budget kits, there are trade-offs in long-term durability under harsh conditions. Some users caution about premature wear if the car is heavily loaded or driven aggressively. Number 1. Detroit Axle 8PC Strut Shocks Kit. The Detroit Axle 8PC Strut Shocks Kit is a complete suspension solution designed specifically for 2007 to 2013 Nissan Altima models. It includes 2 front struts with coil springs, 2 rear shock absorbers, and 4 sway bars, making it a comprehensive replacement kit. Drivers often praise this set for bringing back the factory-like smoothness and handling in older Altima models. One of the biggest advantages is the ready-to-install assembly. The struts come preloaded with coil springs, which means you don't need to compress springs or worry about complex installation. For DIY car enthusiasts or even mechanics looking for a quick fix, this kit saves time and ensures proper fitment. Performance-wise, users have reported noticeable improvements in ride comfort, reduced body roll, and stable cornering, especially on highways. The shocks handle bumps well, and the sway bars add extra stability. However, because it's a full kit, it might be more than what some buyers need if they only want front or rear replacements. Thanks for watching today's review on the best shocks for Nissan Altima. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with other Altima owners who might need an upgrade. All the products we reviewed are linked in the description below for your convenience. And remember, at Automotive Widgets, we bring you the best car parts, accessories, and expert insights to make your driving experience safer and smoother. Until next time, drive safely and keep your car in top shape. See you in the next video.